welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY henna. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this DIY henna is 1 tablespoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You will also need a tin, and you'll need a stainless steel pot that can fit the top of your pot that is filled with water like this. You will also need red powder that will color your henna, and a stainless steel cup, and a tiny little stainless steel bowl. Let's get started. For the first step, you will need to pour your cumin into your sugar, like this, and then get a spoon or fork and mix it together. Now you will need to put your stainless steel tiny pot in the middle of your tin, like so, and then pour your mixture of sugar and cumin around your small stainless steel bowl. And if you get some of your mixture of cumin and sugar into your stainless steel tiny little bowl, then just take it out and put it back on the sides. Now put your tin above your stove, and then get your small cup and put it above your little bowl, like that. And then take your bowl filled with water and place it on top of your tin, like this. And then turn on your stove and place it on high. And let it boil for 5 minutes. After it has been 5 minutes, you can turn your stove off and remove the pot using mittens. After you've removed your bowl of water, your cup should look something like this. And then you can get your tongs and take out your cup. And pour it into a bowl. After you have your liquid in a bowl, you can get some of your red powder and pour some in, and then mix it so you have a red color. And now you can use your cotton swab to make your design. Now that you have your final design, let it dry before washing it off. Now that I have my design, I'll be washing it off. This is the final product. As you can see, the nice color that's being shown. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!